My dad was a role model, he still is. Good guy, he taught me the responsibility of raising a family, being there for my family. And so in order to get what I need and to take care of my family, he taught me the value of work. This job is outstanding, not only just the pay, but the benefit as well. And so it made it to where we can live a life that is very comfortable. We can live at anywhere we want or do whatever we want to do. And so this job has provided greatly for me and my wife, as well as for my children when I had to send them to school. After high school, I hired on at Ingles in the apprenticeship program in sheet metal. So I was a sheet metal mechanic, and I went through the apprenticeship. And while in apprenticeship at the junior college, I learned how to plan, I learned how to schedule, I learned drafting, I learned all that through the apprenticeship at the shipyard. You need to know a little bit about computers, you need to know a little bit about math. School is very important, especially some of the subjects that we don't take seriously, because we learn that craft or learn that skill, it helps us in our life as we get older.